Alrighty, let's talk about this. More images to show you as this winter storm charged across the Northeast. Snow beginning to fall before sunset yesterday in chilly New York. Now, that's the Monroe County, just southwest of Rochester. Cloudy skies this afternoon, highs in the mid-20s. Could get over an inch of rain there tomorrow night. The next chance for snow will be Monday afternoon into Monday night. That's right. We have another system that's going to be rocking and rolling throughout the Northeast. So let's take a look at what's ahead for the rest of this weekend. So again, we got some snow today for the Northeast. We get a nice little break, maybe a couple of those flurries like we saw there with Robert Ray. But by the time we get into tomorrow afternoon, that's when that next system rolls on in. Now, I want to point out one thing specifically because it's this low pressure system that's going to stay well to the north. Why this matters is it's going to allow for a lot more of that warmer air to push in from the south. And that's going to make that precipitation type, well, mostly rain, maybe more of a wintry mix for areas farther northeast, like up into New England and those much higher terrain into the northeast. But of course, behind this front that's along this low pressure system is that much cooler air. So let's break this down for you. What we have going on, this is going to be on your Sunday night, afternoon into the Midwest is when you get hit by it first. So areas in Illinois, Indiana, as well as northern parts of Ohio and, of course, Michigan, getting in on the rain event first throughout the evening. Then it starts, that energy continues to move more towards the northeast. So it's going to be a little bit overnight and into our Monday morning, where a lot of folks who just saw snow today will end up seeing some pretty heavy rounds of rain moving overnight and into Monday morning. Now, once that front moves through, we have this nice pocket of cold air that's going to be rushing through, and that's going to be bringing in some more of that lake effect. So we could see some lake effect snow in Michigan, Ohio, upstate New York, and Pennsylvania, getting in on the action there. So a couple inches of snow will still be possible behind the original our original energy system of mostly rain. So you'll notice this, starting off with mostly rain for pretty much everybody, and then that lake effect snow takes hold Monday and into Tuesday for upstate New York and Pennsylvania, parts of Ohio, and of course into Michigan. But when we kind of have these different temperature gradients in our atmosphere, that's when we could see a little bit of a wintry mix, maybe some sleet, and of course, my least favorite thing, freezing rain. This is when we have that rain that falls, or we have snow basically coming through, and then hits a nice warm pocket of air in the atmosphere, melts back down to rain, and then it hits a very cold pocket right at the surface, and it refreezes on impact on those roads, on sidewalks, and that's where we could have that ice potential for a lot of folks. So it's still going to be possible, probably a little bit farther into the northeast. So areas in Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, be on high alert if you are going to be on those roadways for the next few days. Now, looking into these winter weather alerts, these are going to be from Sunday and into your Monday. This includes parts of Michigan, Wisconsin, Minneapolis, or Minnesota, excuse me, with that winter storm watch. Minneapolis is included in that, though. But also we do have those winter weather advisories highlighted in blue as well. So that's going to be for Sunday night and into your Monday up towards the Midwest. Keeping that in mind as we move about the next couple of days. That front is going to move through, cooling us way down into those low 20s as well. So temperatures will get nice and chilly Tuesday and into your Wednesday. And a reminder to our viewers, if you've got a weather photo or a video to share, simply scan the QR code right there on your screen and tap it into the Share It tab on the page. Not in front of your TV, just navigate to foxweather.com/connect to upload it there. We'll be back with more Fox Weather Live coming up.